only got one night, just put your trust in me. Give me everything, I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it. Put your trust in me, I'll give you everything. So hold on.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a drugstore makeup look. This is kind of going to be a first impressions because there are a few things that I recently just bought and I have never used before. I will try to look up the prices of all the products that I have in this video. Try to make everything as inexpensive as possible. If you want to see my drugstore makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start with eyes first. What I've been doing is I will just take tape. This is just regular Scotch tape. I like to take it from my bottom lash line to the tail of my eyebrow. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C2. I've never used this one before, but they say that this is like a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, which I really like that one. I did use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind yesterday, and I really do like this one. So if you are looking for a cheap and inexpensive concealer, then I definitely recommend the Maybelline Age Rewind. I just put this on my lids as primer. Today I am going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division Palette, and this is almost like another dupe for the Anastasia Subculture palette. Lids to set the concealer, I'm going to use the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I got this at Walgreens. I like it. It is a bit drying for me underneath my eyes, and it kind of smells a little bit different. So if you don't like scented powders, or if you're sensitive to smells, I know sometimes this can give me just a little bit of a headache. But if you don't mind them, that is a really good powder. So I'm just going to take that on a Morphe 827 brush. I'm just going to tap that onto my lids. And then I'm going to pick up this shade right here. And I'm going to put that into my crease as just a transition color. And I'm going to be using the same brush. I'm going to kind of put that a little bit underneath and a little bit on the outer corner. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M433 brush. I don't really know what look I'm going for today. Hopefully this turns out decent and not a mess. The reason why I didn't put a video out on Wednesday or on Saturday, my face has been really like weird. I have like this different spot treatment and dark spot corrector that I've been using, and it kind of like irritates my skin just a little bit just because it's like the first week that I've been using it consistently, and it just like makes my skin very like dry, and just foundation when it went on top of it, it did not look good at all. But I just wanted to kind of get this video out for you guys just because it's been a week, and I am going on vacation in a couple weeks, and by a couple I mean like 2.5 weeks. I plan on recording. I have a cheat day planned. I kind of want to vlog when I'm down there too, and maybe do like a summer vacation look. So I have ideas that I want to do, so let me know if you guys are interested in any of those. I'm going to take that on a Morphe 518 brush, and I'm going to put that kind of where I just placed the last shade. To deepen up the look, I'm going to take a Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to start to place it on the outer V of my eye. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe G24 brush. No extra product, and I'm just going to take it and kind of blend upwards towards the brow bone.
Heart of fire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
And I think I'm going to put that on my finger and then put it onto my lid. Then I'm going to go in with that brush that we blended with that has no product on and kind of blend upwards again. And I'm going to put that on the center of my lid on the same brush that we used. I'm just going to wipe it off with a makeup wipe.
The dark, straight to the start of intoxicating wine. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in.
I'm going to take that on the Morphe 212 brush. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a lash curler and I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. I'm going to go back in, deepen up the outer corner a little bit. I'm going to go with the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama just because I like how the bristles look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my mascara on and then I will come back and put the false lashes on. So this is what my lashes look like with the mascara on. Oh, I'm going to take off the tape too. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell Naturals in the style 174. If you can get them perfectly on, or if like you know what you're doing with lashes, people will not be able to tell if they're real or not. So I already have a pair that I've been wearing, and all I did was I cut a little in the front just to fit the shape of my eye. So I bought this from Ulta as well. This is the Ardell like lash tweezer, and it allows you to just grab a hold of the lash. So I really like this. You can use regular tweezers if you want, but I just feel like this allows me to be more precise with placing it down. After we do our face makeup, I'm going to come back and curl them. But moving on to the face, I already moisturized with the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. So for primer, I am going to be using the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot. This is a mattifying and pore minimizing primer. I am going to take the L'Oreal Magic Lumi primer. I'm just going to spray my face with the Morphe Makeup Settings Prep and Set. So for foundation, I switched between the Giorgio Armani Luminous Soap one and then the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. And I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand. It is more of a watery consistency, so it's very lightweight. For concealer, I am actually going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is in the shade C2. This is the same one that we put on our lids as a primer. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of this again and put a dot on my forehead, down my nose, on my chin, on my jawline. Just kind of brighten us up and even us out. So I'm going to take that same Arrow Spun powder and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes and any place that we put concealer. I don't have Drugstore eyebrow product. I'm going to do that off camera and then I will come back and then we'll finish up the face. For the perimeters of my face, I am going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and this is in the color Translucent. I'm going to be taking that on a Morphe E41 brush. To be taking the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette. And I'm going to put those on my cheeks, on my forehead, underneath my jaw, and then I'm going to take it down the sides of my nose. For blush, I do not own a Drugstore blush, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into that eyeshadow palette that we use, and I'm just going to grab this shade right here, and I'm going to use that as blush. Take a sponge and we'll just press over it to kind of dilute the color and intensity of it. So I'm just going to take these two shades right here and I'm going to blend those on my bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to take my lash curler and curl my lashes just to kind of blend them together. Now I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Prep and Set spray once again. I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Pink. And then I have the NYX Lingerie Volt. This is in the color Ruffle Trim.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
I think I want to lighten it up a bit. So I'm going to go in with Lace Detail. I want a little bit lighter. So I'm going to put Cheekies in the middle as well. The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put highlighter on, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder.
That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the storm me sees. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was...
Alright, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This definitely turned out better than I expected. I definitely want to start playing around with more eyeshadows. I don't think I have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye everyone.
Oh, you meant the world to me.
And by blend them together, I meant that I was gonna take it off and put it on again.
My darling dear, you never